Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Going over my little haul from the market that I go to frequently. Just a bunch of sockets and stuff today. A few other things. Got another one of these pipe wrenches. Or adjustables or whatever. Picked this one up. I know it's a bit rusty. I mean, it's not difficult to see. But it is a Gordon. So good quality, and I'm sure it'll clean up. It is a bit fucked up, but it does somewhat work, as you can see. As it slowly, yeah, you can see. But yeah, I think this will clean up quite nicely with a little bit of a wire wheel. And I mean, it is a Gordon, so good quality, good old, made in England. Yeah, solid, man. Really is solid. Fucking heavy. And then pair of locking grips by Foreign. There we go. Not entirely sure if they work or if they're fucked, but they seem to work just fine. But yeah, a little bit of a wire wheel, and they'll be good to go. Got these because I wanted the flat grips. I'm not sure what you call them. I have the ones that are curved, typically, but I wanted these ones. Grab onto bolts without just completely destroying them. And then we got this little red stubby from Germany, which is nice. But yeah, it's another one of these ones that says 10,000 volts, which is nuts. Again, don't believe it goes up to 10,000 volts, but I did like it because it goes with the little yellow stubby that we got not so long ago, just in terms of size. So hopefully I can find more of these red handled ones, and then I'd have a yellow handle set and a red handle set. But I guess we'll find out. If you hear tapping in the background, it's the guinea pigs having a drink. Sorry about that. Can't do anything about it. They need to drink. But yeah, I just grabbed a bunch of these sockets out of the bin as usual. I haven't actually been through them, so we've got a Kamasa Tools 1316s, which is cool. Yeah, I say I've not been through them. I do know what some of them are. I have. I did look when I was picking them out. No name chrome vanadium 1116s. Yeah, I didn't just blindly grab a bunch and hope for the best. I did with the wee ones, but I was looking for specific sizes, like 3 1/4. Very common size for me. So why not? It's not branded or anything, but why not? Taiwan 1116s. Working on that Imperial set. Not even sure what I've got at this point. 15mm chrome vanadium 12 point. This one is power built. And it's 5/8. Will it be useful? I don't know. No idea. Not going to bullshit you. This is a Rasol from Germany. Number 11. Never heard of this company. And if I have, I don't remember. But I liked it. I liked it indeed. I grabbed actually this one and this one together, thinking that they were a pair, but they're not. This one's a non-branded 10mm half-inch drive. Everyone's losing their 10mm apparently. No brand 1116s. Nearly lost that. Here's another 1116s. This one is power built. So there we go. Got a non-branded and then a branded one. Maybe we'll do a torture test and see which one's better. This one's a Mito 17 3/8 drive. 5/8 chrome vanadium, non-branded. This one. This is another power built. I'm starting to get a bit of a collection of these. 16 mil. Another power built. 17. Oh, we've got the 17 and 16. Very nice. Starting to lose these little ones. I'll tell you what, we'll do the spark plug ones first. So this is just a chrome vanadium 10mm. Nice. I always like getting these sockets because of the hex on the end, because you can use a spanner or a wrench to get a little bit more leverage if need be. And then this one is a power built 5/8 6-point. We have this deep socket, which we see. I don't know if the camera will even pick this one up. It's an SP. You see that? I think you can. Maybe not. Don't know. But it's an SP and it's a 13mm. So quite a useful little socket. Why not? 1/4-inch drive. Cute. We have another power built 9/16. Here's another power built 14mm. Power built again 11mm. 10mm Taiwan 3/8. 11mm non-branded miscellaneous. No idea, and it's all stripped out anyway. Don't know why I grabbed that. Very confusing socket. Which side is the drive? Or has it got that middle drive? No, the middle's a hex. Oh, fuck if I know. 1/2-inch Taiwan 6-point. Yeah, these little ones were just miscellaneous. This one's all ground down. Looks about an 8, maybe even a 9. Power built again. Doesn't say a size. Looks about a 9. What is this one? Power built again. 6mm. 11/32. What is this? Sure, we got a snap on. That's nice. It's not normal for me. So we got a snap on USA 5/32. So that's pretty smart. Not bad for a a bundle. I just grabbed that out. Didn't even look at it. Nice. This one's back to being a power belt. 3/16. Competing with the snap-on. But that's cool. That's very smart. I don't really have much snap-on stuff, to be honest. I don't really dig into the hype. They're good quality tools, definitely. Undeniable. But at the same point, there's a lot of other good tool brands out there. Baco are really good. Wera or Vera, or whatever you say it. But anyway, getting back onto the task at hand, boys. This is my little haul. Actually looks pretty cool like that. I might use that as a thumbnail. Boom. Yeah, just a little haul. Miscellaneous tools. Whatever. And then a snap-on. Bit random. Very random. But this isn't even a snap-on. It's a fucking power belt. This is the snap-on. The smallest socket going. I'm not entirely sure I'm ever going to use that, I'll be honest. I guess if I'm ever fixing a remote control airplane or helicopter, then I'm good to go. I've got the snap-on tools for that. But I mean, either way, well, I can't complain. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, has that ever happened to you guys where you've just bought a bunch of stuff and randomly had a snap-on? Sure, it probably happens to a lot of people. But yeah, that's the haul for today. If you guys have any ideas for videos, let me know. Anything you want to see and stuff like that. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.